The desire to quickly earn money online while staying at home has increased over the past few years. In today's video, we will discuss some new but great methods to make money online. Before the video starts, like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. The appeal of the internet is that it serves as a potent sales channel, marketing network, and social media hub, among many other functions. Beyond completing surveys and selling used items on marketplaces, there are a variety of inventive ways to make quick money online. Nevertheless, some side jobs are more compatible with the laptop lifestyle than others. We'll outline the best new strategies for making money online in this concept video. Number 7. Start dropshipping. Let's begin our list with one of the most well-liked methods of online income. Dropshipping's popularity is growing, as shown by Google Trends, underscoring its potential as a business concept. There is plenty of evidence that dropshipping is a legitimate way to generate money online, including success tales about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a business owner made 6 figures selling only one product. If you're not familiar with dropshipping, it's a type of business where you sell a product to a client, but the supplier stores, packages, and sends the product to the buyer on your behalf. You have access to millions of products with Shopify dropshipping, which you may include in your store. You may handpick your product photographs, update the item descriptions, and give your business a customized feel using several Shopify dropshipping apps, which will make customers want to purchase with you. Which is the greatest method for dropshipping profit? Most business owners have been concentrating on the following marketing techniques. Advertising on Facebook. Using influencers to advertise their goods. Sending potential clients on social media direct messages, DMs. Ready to open a store but lacking inventory? Online business owners can purchase goods at wholesale pricing through Handshake. Number 6. Examine print on demand. POD is another well-liked method of making money online. Because it has a cheaper overhead than other enterprises, this business model has been embraced by many people. In that you don't have to keep inventory or send out packages to consumers yourself, print on demand is akin to dropshipping. However, there are 2 minor variations. You can first create your unique products, which is excellent for building brand recognition. Second, you have a smaller selection of options to choose from rather than a wide range of categories. T-shirts, mugs, and tote bags are among the things that the majority of print-on-demand businesses sell. What is the most effective strategy to profit from your print-on-demand company? Free marketing resources. Your best bet would be to use social media influencers that successfully convert their audiences to customers to market your products for free on platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. You can see us engage in a fruitful discussion with Wholesale Ted about the advantages and disadvantages of each business model to get a thorough understanding of print-on-demand versus dropshipping. Number 5. Generate income through affiliate marketing. One of the most well-liked methods of earning money online is affiliate marketing. Although its popularity has fluctuated throughout the years, it is still a reliable way to make money online. The most excellent thing about affiliate marketing is the variety of businesses you can choose to work with, such as Shopify, Amazon, Uber, and FabFitFun. With the help of affiliate marketing, you can make money by advertising other companies' products. If you're a skilled marketer, you can increase sales by advertising services, apps, software, and more. Even if the commission you receive may seem insignificant, remember that you may work as an affiliate for multiple companies and include multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Your best option is to concentrate on content marketing if you truly want to earn money online through affiliate marketing. You can develop a blog into a valuable asset by adding multiple pages of excellent content. To increase traffic to your affiliate partner's website, choose which affiliate links to include in your blog entries. Number 4. Create a channel on YouTube. You can profit from YouTube if others can. Jimmy Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, who posts odd antics on his YouTube channel and earned $54 million in 2021, is the highest paid YouTuber. Jake Paul is another great earner who has amassed $45 million on YouTube by disseminating entertaining prank videos and boxing content. His reputation from YouTube and his boxing career
enabled him to use his influence to generate income online outside of YouTube. To develop a robust, devoted audience on YouTube, your channel should concentrate on a specific niche.
You may, for instance, make spoof videos, review things, teach skills, stream video games, provide cosmetics lessons, or whatever else you believe would be of interest to viewers.
The key to succeeding on YouTube is to produce content that viewers will pay for.
Use clever titles to draw viewers to your videos, and include keywords in the description to improve YouTube search. You can start using YouTube advertisements to monetize your channel once you hit the 1,000 subscriber mark. Number 3. Become a spoke influencer. You can earn money online by developing your brand. Did you know that Cristiano Ronaldo, a soccer player, often costs between $880,259 and $1 million for a sponsored Instagram post? Even smaller scale influencers can now earn more money than they could a few years ago, even though reality stars, musicians, and athletes may appear to be the biggest influencers. You must amass a sizable following if you want to become an influencer.
Which are the most effective starting points? Both TikTok and Instagram.
These sites were frequently where some of the largest non-celebrity influencers got their first taste of publicity. If you want to grow your Instagram audience, you might want to look into ways to obtain more followers. You can charge for sponsored articles, open your online store and sell goods, include affiliate links in your bio, sell your images, sell advertisements on your podcast, develop and sell merch, get paid to attend events, and more as an influencer to earn money.
Number 2. Design a web course. One of the finest methods to earn money online is by selling courses. If you are an authority on a subject, you can make money from your expertise by developing online courses. If you already have a following, you can offer your course through your website in addition to Udemy. With online courses, some businesses can make up to $5,000 per month. Take inspiration from popular courses in your niche to produce a well-liked and profitable course. Next, read the reviews. What characteristics are people most proud of, and what are they least fond of? How can you make something superior to what has already been made?
Concentrate on producing material that addresses the most common grievances and emulates the appealing qualities that users like. How much money you can make will depend on the platform where your course is sold.
You won't need to put much effort into marketing your course if you sell it on Udemy. Almost anything may be set and forgotten. Perhaps spread the word about it on some blogs or social media platforms. However, you could want to run advertisements to advertise the course if it is hosted on your website.
Additionally, you can promote upcoming courses by creating an email list without spending money on advertising.
Number 1. Publish an ebook.
It has never been simpler to publish an ebook thanks to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. The ebook only needs to be written, formatted, given a cover, published, and promoted. I published several ebooks on Amazon in 2013, and while this didn't make me wealthy, I did make some money. You have the option of hiring a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer for the cover art, and a manuscript editor to check the text for errors. Concentrate on keywords from common Amazon searches when doing your research on the subject. I frequently utilize the keyword tool, which enables you to discover the search terms people are using so you can create a title around them. Concentrate on marketing strategies that have been shown to draw clients if you want to increase ebook sales. For instance, you may provide the first few complimentary copies of your book.
By getting some reviews and generating buzz on social media, you can attract clients by using social proof. Influencer marketing and video campaigns are additional powerful ebook promotion techniques. So this is the end of our today's video. How do you find it helpful for you? Give your answer in the comments section below. And subscribe to our YouTube channel.